why should you start a YouTube channel, even if no one watches? If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or maybe you already started, but no one is watching your videos, those quite low viewers, your videos aren't a waste of time. In fact, they are the reason your channel will succeed later in the future. So if you're feeling discouraged, you're feeling that it's pointless, it is what we're going to be talking about in this video. And after we've explained everything, you need to keep posting on YouTube even if you feel like nobody cares. I'll break down 5 key reasons. By the end of this video, you will understand why consistency matters more than views, and why should you start a YouTube channel in 2026 even if you haven't started. We're going to be talking about why posting regularly helps you build real skill and improving your content over time, how consistency actually helps your YouTube algorithm to work in your favor in the future, while loyal audience always started very small and tiny, how posting every single day, every single week, it doesn't matter, consistently builds your confidence on the camera presence, okay, and how your channel becomes a social proof, open doors for you in the future, and lots of opportunities, of course. Skill development, what I'm talking about here. First, let's talk about skill development. Every video that you post makes you better. Speaking, editing, storytelling, and even thinking about ideas that you want to talk clearly. You don't start it very great, okay? You start because you are good at posting. You already have videos but you aren't getting any viewers, okay? Those videos aren't for the audience, they are for you and for your channel itself. Algorithm benefits. YouTube algorithm reward consistency. Every video you upload every single day, every single week, and every single time helps algorithm understand your channel, who you are, who your content is for. And of course, even if your video don't perform well at first, don't be disheartened, okay? This is just collecting data over time, and one day one of your videos will be pushed over time, and one good video later can bring you attention. Everything you already posted, it will begin to kind of like skyrocket in the future. So now just start a YouTube channel, because starting a YouTube channel and keep posting literally a game changer in 2026. Now, building a loyal audience. Every big creator that you admire to be like that creator, they started very small audience. They worked really hard. Those early viewers, the ones comment, like, or even came back later, they are a foundation of your strong community. Loyalty isn't built on millions of people who show up, okay? It's built when a few people choose to stay at once. So why not just start a YouTube channel, and it will transform your life, I promise. Now, about confidence, okay? Confidence and presence. Confidence on camera. Well, now, confidence on camera is very important. I mean, not at the start. If you start, you just want to figure things out, and the more you post and the more uncomfortable you become, it's just improving your confidence over time, and you stop overthinking. You speak more clearly, more naturally, and even more fluent at the same time. So show up as yourself, and this confidence carries over time into other areas of life, not just YouTube itself, okay? You're building your confidence not just in front of the camera, you're building your confidence over time. Long-term opportunities. Finally, long-term opportunities. YouTube opens you quite a lot of opportunities. Your YouTube channel, okay, your YouTube channel is more than just the videos in your portfolio. Brands, clients, and even lots of things that happens from day-to-day life. The work that you do now opens though you didn't see yet. So if you're about to start a YouTube channel in 2026, haven't started, please do start a YouTube channel. Even if you start it and you haven't seen the results yet, you're not failing. You are just started building, and that's the early stages, okay? The teething problems. So keep showing up, keep posting, because one day people will find your channel and think you came out of nowhere. But the truth is, not at all. You've been working through the behind the scenes, and you've been working hard until you have got there. So keep posting, start a YouTube channel, and yeah, embrace it. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.